So today let us learn about a simple C program. A simple C program, all the C program consist of a structure. As a message is having a structure to write, a C program is also having a structure to write. So let us learn this structure. The structure consists first of the header file, second of the void main from where the execution of the program started, and then the declaration of the variables which we are going to use in this C program, and the statement which we are going to use. So in this we are going to learn about different types of header files and variable declaration statements. The different types of header files are studio.h, conic.h, sting.h and max.h. In this the studio.h and conic.h we are using all the times, and the sting.h is used in a lesson which is called as strings, and the max.h is used to calculate the interest and percentage. So let us write the first simple C program. We are going to write the program in a code block which is a compiler. This will convert the words which we write in the English language to the machine language, which is binary codes, zeros and ones. So to write a program, the compiler is very necessary. So we will use code blocks, which is one of the best compiler available now. So let us start with first create a new project. Then click on console application, then click on C language. So write the title for your program, and then the location where you want to save this program, and click on next. And don't change any setting in this, and just click on finish. Click on source and main.c. So you will receive this page. This some program is written, so we will write the program which we want to execute. So we will cut this, and so first is include.studio.h. The second one is include. Include is written for the header file first, then a space, then less than greater than sign, then conio.h, which is a different types of header file. .h. Then write the void main from where the program will be executed, and this brackets, two brackets, and then this curly brackets. So the program will start from this first curly bracket and end on this last curly bracket. So write a simple program of printf. So printf is used to print something on a program. So first write printf, then two brackets, then a semicolon, then quotation marks, two quotation marks. So all the things which we have to write must be put on this two, between this quotation mark, like hello world. And last we have to write a return type which is getch, and it should also be ended with semicolon. So to write a printf, it should have first two brackets here and here, two semicolons, two quotation marks, and at last a semicolon. So let's build and run this program. So the void spelling is void, void, not piod. So as we see, it will print hello world. So if we want to print any other things, so we can do like this. Again use printf, then bracket, then quotation marks, two quotation marks, and write anything. My name is Saurabh, and it should be ended with a semicolon. So see this, it is executed. But as we are seeing hello world and my name is Saurabh is coming in the same line. So if we want to separate this word, include a backslash operator, which is this one. So if we execute now this program, so the hello world will be first and then my name is Saurabh will be in the second line. So if we want to separate this text, then slash n operator is used. So now let us learn about some calculation in the C language. So these two header files include studio.h and include ponyo.h will be remain same, and this getch will also be remain same, and void main will be also remain same. So just we have to rub this printf, and here we have to write, first we have to declare a variables. So for declaration we have to first select the data type. Data type can be, as we are dealing with the number, the data type should be integer. And what we are going to use, we are going to use a, b and c, and a semicolon. It should be ended with a semicolon. So we should write, we can write value of a as 10, b as 5. The value of c should be calculated. The c should be there, can be addition or subtraction of ab or anything else. So we will write c as the addition of a plus b. It is simply like max only, and it should be ended with semicolon. So now we have to print this c by the value of c. So first start with printf and the two brackets. It should end with semicolon and quotation mark. So the changes are that we have to put modulus of d, which is used when we have to take the value of c from the memory location. There are a memory is located to the c in a memory, and the value of c to take the value of this c from the memory, this modulus of d is written, and here one comma is also put and c is put. So it will extract the value of c from the memory and it will print it. So let us start the program, run the program. It is 15. So let us see, 10 plus 5 is 15. We can also add text in between this, like the value of c is. Now this text will also display, instead of modulus of d, the value of c will be displayed. So let us see. See, the value of c is modulus of c. We can put the value of a and b also, like this. The addition of a modulus of d plus modulus of d is equal to, here a and b and c. So the addition of, in first modulus of d, the value of a will be shown, so plus will be shown as plus only, and the second modulus of d, the value of d will be shown, and the third modulus of d, the value of c will be shown. The value of c is 15. So let us execute it. C. The addition of 10 plus 5 is 15. So sometimes we want the value from the user which is using this program. So that time we have to write a different program. In this, the header files void main and getch will remain same for all the program. So let us start. We have to use integer as we are dealing with the numbers, and A, B and C. So first we have to put the printf, then two brackets. It should end with the semicolon and two quotation marks. So we will write as enter the value of A. So to write the value, so they will enter a value and we have to store this value in the memory. To do this we have to use this scanf. Scanf is also same. It should have a bracket. It should end with semicolons and it has two quotation marks. As it is the operator f int, we should add modulus of d, and it should be stored in the memory of A. We are giving this memory location a name which is A, so it will be stored in A. So here the AND operator is used, which we normally call AND. So in C language it is called as ampersand, which gives the direction to the memory. So in scanf it is very important to use this modulus of E. So we have to write the second, which is second printer. So let's write printf, two brackets and with semicolon and two quotation marks. Enter the value of E. Then again we have to write scanf. It should have bracket, it should end with semicolon and two quotation marks. As it is having integer data type, it should have modulus of d, a semicolon. Now ampersand, the AND will call as ampersand, and now we will give the memory location name B. Now as we have to find C, then we will use as C is equal to A plus B, and it should end with semicolon. So now we have to print the value of C, so just type printf, two brackets and with semicolon and quotation marks. So as it is of integer data type, we will use modulus of d and a comma and the value of, as we have to print the value of C, we will use here C. So let us execute this. Here we have missed the semicolon, so let us write this semicolon. So see, they ask first input the value of A. So let's take 10, and they are telling enter the value of B. Let's take it 5. The value of C is 15. So thanks to watch this lecture. In the next lecture we will learn about the